In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to expand your background in Adobe Photoshop. This is a great technique that can help you enhance your images, giving them a little extra breathing room or balance. Whether you're working on a landscape photo or a portrait, extending the background can often help improve the overall composition. Let's dive right in. The first step is to launch Adobe Photoshop. Make sure your software is updated for the best performance and access to all the latest features. Once you have Photoshop running, you'll want to open the image you plan to work with and prepare your layers. To do this, simply drag your image into Photoshop or use the Open option under the File menu, and your image should appear ready for editing. Next, you'll need to focus on the Layers panel, typically found on the right-hand side of your screen. If it's not visible, you can activate it by going to Window and selecting Layers. Now select the layer of your image to ensure that it's active. This step is crucial because any edits we make should apply specifically to this layer. With your layer selected, navigate to the toolbar and pick the Magic Wand tool. This helpful tool allows you to easily select distinct areas of your image by color value. Now, using the Magic Wand, click on the subject of your photo, which in most cases is what you want to keep unchanged. Sometimes the Magic Wand might select more than intended. If this happens, you can adjust the tolerance level in the settings to refine the selection. Once your subject is selected, you want to create a new layer from this selection. You can do this by right-clicking on the selection and choosing the option to make a new layer via copy. This step ensures that you have a clear, isolated layer of the selected subject separate from the background you wish to expand. Now turn your attention to the newly created second layer in your Layers panel. Click on it to make sure you're editing the correct part of your image. With that layer selected, go to the top menu, choose Select, and then navigate to Modify. Here, you'll find the Expand option. Set the number of pixels you'd like to expand the selection by, depending on how much background you need. Finally, it's time to fill the space. Click on the Fill tool, which is also located in the Select menu. With this tool, you can fill in the background area, achieving a seamless blend using Photoshop's Content Aware feature. This feature smartly guesses the ideal fill based on surrounding pixels, making it appear natural. And there you have it. Your background has been successfully expanded. This method gives you newfound flexibility with your images and can equally enhance the visual appeal. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Don't forget to save your project with a different file name to avoid overwriting your original picture. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video tutorial.